Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Would you like to reserve the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 today? Well, in this tip, I'm going to show you just how. Let's check it out. So guys, I discovered this function by going into Samsung Pay. And at the very top, I saw be amongst the first to reserve this. So if you tap on the reserve, and you go into the reserve now, it's going to launch the Samsung Shop application. And in the Samsung Shop application, it's going to give us a lot of information. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available. First of all, it tells us that you can save up to $450 if you have a trade-in. You can pre-order. You're guaranteed delivery by the 24th. So that means that everybody's going to have the Note 9 in their hands this month, which is pretty awesome. You have your information that you'll want to put in here, and then once you've done that, you have a couple options. You could either get unlocked, and you can get from all these carriers that are in the US. You can also take a look at trade-in values. So if you want to trade in an existing Samsung phone, so for an S9 or S9 Plus, they're giving you $450. For an S8, they're giving you $400. That's not bad at all. You can see that right there. For a Note 8, you're getting $400, and you can see for each one of the Samsung phones, you're getting some pretty decent value on these. Now, if I look at what you're going to get for Google phone, so the Google Pixel, they're giving you $450. That's not bad, and you can continue to go down and see all the they're going to give you for the phones. Apple devices as well. All right, probably not worth it for that iPhone X because if you spend $1,000, getting $450 back is definitely not worth it. But there's some older iPhones here. Let's see. If we go all the way down the list, all the way down to a 5S, $150, SE, $150. That's not bad. And then what you could do is also go with an LG device. So the G6, all the way down. So again, you could get your phone with the trade-in option if that's something that you wanted to do, and then just reserve it. There's obviously some other reservations that you can do. You can do the Tab S4, but again, if you're looking to reserve the the Note 9, you can definitely do it here. Surprised that this is out there. If you have any comments or questions, leave it on the channel. But if you're looking to reserve, go ahead and reserve one. I already did mine.